should do it.
Works?
Yep. I'll check in a sec.
Want tea?
Sure, thanks. Let's see. Yep, it's live.
Why are you meowing like that? Are you by the balcony again?
Why are you meowing like that? Is he by the oven again?
Hold on. Watch this part again.
Oh my gosh. Did he just...
Yeah. Look, right there. Boom.
That is him! Look at him now! He's acting like nothing happened.
Hero of the house.
I can't believe he saved our
He
baby.
doesn't even care. Look at that
We owe him
yawn.
a lifetime of...
No. No.
Why are you yelling in the kitchen? Stay away from the kettle. Why are you meowing in the bathroom? Are you in there again?
Look at that. He's guarding him.
That's exactly the clip. Same stance.
He's doing it again.
Walk rescue included.
I can't believe him. Watching you, isn't she?
Kitty.
Uh-oh.
It's okay, buddy. Just stay close. Smoky! Yeah, I see him. Shh. Oh, good kitty. Come on, we're going in. What is it, Poppy? Oh my gosh, smoke! Oh no! What is it, girl? Hey, wait. Oh, smoke? Okay, I'm coming. Come here, buddy. Gotcha. Hang on. Where's the way, girl? Okay, sweetheart.
Where's the smoke coming from?
I don't know. Come on, just follow the cat.
Hurry, let's go.
Almost there. You're okay, buddy. You're okay.
Got it. Doors open.
Let's get out.
Still can't believe he did all that.
He's our little hero.
Yeah, buddy. He's got a new job now. There we go. Guard cat.
Thank you, Steve Boy.